Wel, has yn dyle chymladol yn eisiau le da oren, yn dosiach oren am y galwch na halpa, agos yn orsyn oren am y galwch na heren. Agos chafod gyfel yn nhw'n sgiol ag yn da oren sios, mae sy'n hwyl sy'n gynwprygiad ule, wafsach ma coddwch ma'r hri. So we're going to carry on now with two songs, and one is in Scottish Gaelic and the other is in Irish, and basically it's the same kind of story that is behind both songs. We thought they'd work really nice when we said. And the challenge in this song was to try and write a whole song that had not one word of truth in it. Now in Scotland, we were very successful with this. Apparently we can easily write a tune that has no truth in it. And on our side, it was to try and win the love and be accepted that a couple could marry. In Ireland, however, not so successful.
In our defence, we had to write 120 verses, so...
We only did 119. But one line of truth in the Irish song, and the poor guy got flung back to prison. So, as I was telling people yesterday in Oban, Scotland won, Ireland, Nioni. So, seo gyf maha, yn tod yn briagach agos nawr yn briagach. Ni gwrs the Dave.
One Thanks very much.